Hello and welcome to AFOL TV's online store where you can find some of our most popular builds from our city, Instagram, and YouTube accounts. Our online store features downloadable instructions from some of our custom builds with items not found anywhere else that teach you to build like us and show you some of our secret building techniques and part selections. Take your own city to the next level by downloading our custom builds. Each download comes complete with a parts file and PDF instructions file, unless marked otherwise, with step-by-step instructions just like a real Lego set. The parts file can then be used for easy ordering from bricklink.com, the largest online Lego resale website in the world, serving over 200 countries, and the pieces ship direct to your door. It is so easy. The parts file can also be opened and modified using Bricklink's free stud.io software, allowing you to change the colors, add your own modifications, or further customize the model as you see fit. Our website makes it incredibly easy to find whatever your city needs, whether it's vehicles, buildings, stores, interiors, or more. And if you can't find it in the navigation, try searching. Once you find the items you want, just check out and all the files are automatically emailed to you in a zipped folder, which you can then open and upload to bricklink.com for the exact parts and pieces you need. Then, using our detailed step-by-step instructions, build and add it directly to your city. It's seriously that simple. Whether you're building in traditional minifig scale or wanting to try your hand at micro scale, we have over 350 custom builds to choose from, with more products added weekly. Perfect for beginners, experts, and everyone in between, the instructions are meant to save you time and the builds are meant to save you money by carefully selecting each piece used, especially in the more recent releases. Are you ready to take your city to the next level? Automatically save 20% when you add 3 or more items to your cart, calculated at checkout. And as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We are here to help. And lastly, thank you so much to all of our amazing customers and fans. It's your support that keeps the channel going.